Hello again, Lady K from Black and White Remix here. Just pulling up another piece here for today's transformation. I'm looking at this piece, waiting to be inspired by color, and I think today is going to be a navy and gold day. This piece has some serious damages on it. It needs a lot of sanding and a lot of TLC, which I have a lot to offer. So this piece is in good hands. Inside it has some interesting, it's lined, I'll show you later up close. It's lined with something from New Jersey, looks like a newsprint from 1800s. Obviously this piece is not from the 1800s, and we don't want this piece to look like it's from the 1800s. We actually want it to be in the now. So I'm going to go ahead and prep and sand and change and get into work mode, and I can't wait to see what this is going to look like. It's going to be beautiful. Very rich, very rich. Stay tuned to watch. are back to shore safely with this beautiful piece. We were in the Navy and it turned out beautiful. I did a lot of sanding on it. It was some rough waters there for a while, I'm not gonna lie, but it came out meticulous. The drawers were all fixed, the trackings on them run perfectly smooth now, and the color choice I think is very rich and gorgeous. So it's all been cleaned up, it's ready to go, it's ready for a new home. I hope you enjoyed the process as much as I did, definitely doing it and doing this transformation. I love it. Aye, aye, Captain.